This is Meshcast. Fact check first, hedges preserved. Cloudflare shipped two things in early August 2026 that quietly change how AI agents use the web. It's not being covered as much as it should be, and there are things being overclaimed too. Here's what's real. Kitesurf. It's a browser runtime built specifically for AI agents, launched August 6th. 3 to 7 times lighter than Chromium on CPU and memory. Runs on Cloudflare Workers at the edge. Passes over 215,000 web platform tests, which is a real compatibility number. If you're using Puppeteer or Playwright today, you can switch by changing one parameter. Free during beta. X402. This is the payments protocol. It uses HTTP status code 402, payment required, which has sat unused in the web spec for over 30 years. Coinbase and Cloudflare finally put it to work early 2026. An agent hits a paid endpoint, gets back a 402 with payment details, pays in stablecoin, retries with a payment proof header, gets the resource. Sub-cent fees, sub-second finality. That makes micropayments per API call actually viable. Now the honest hedges the headlines skip. 402 is a Coinbase Cloudflare joint protocol, not Cloudflare alone. Kitesurf is free beta, not general availability. Cloudflare Wallets is announced, but only handle reservations are live right now. The funded wallet product rolls out over coming months. And real usage is still tiny. 20 companies participating in agent payment flows is a start, not a market. This is infrastructure being laid down for a future where agents are the primary users of the web. That future is not here yet. Bottom line, Cloudflare is betting that AI agents will soon outnumber human web visitors and building infrastructure for that reality. Kitesurf is a real, working, lighter browser you can use today. 402 is a real, working payment protocol you can pay through today. Cloudflare Wallets is announced, but not fully live. If you build agents, get familiar with all three now, because when the funded wallet product ships, you'll want to already know how it fits. That's Meshcast. Fact check first.